have here something new, probably for my camera or my cell phone, not sure. But I'm gonna pause it, I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna continue. Let's see if I can do it one hand. No, I'm gonna have to pause it. There you go. Sorry, cut, open. Come on, focus, focus. Let me pause this. I don't know why it won't close. Let's check what's inside. We have a wireless charging mouse, a Photos EFMD Meldola MD with glass alignment, and we have a lens from YN 35mm FS from YONGNU. Sorry if I said it wrong. Okay, let's check all three. I'm gonna start with this one first. Actually, forgot this one. G glass for cell phones. But I'm not gonna open this one. This is for, I think this is my brother's cell phone. I'm gonna stop it. Okay, let's try this one first. There you go. Now you can charge. This is a wireless. Comes with micro USB, not the news. Now you could connect this to a camera. This is the reason why this is here. This is made for a camera, but you can use it on your computer as well. Here's the USB thing for the phones. I mean for the phones. I think in some phones you could connect as well, but this is meant for any laptop or computer, or you could use a cable. Okay. Second, we have this. This is an extension, I believe. Extension for that. Yeah, it is. See? I might have to pause this. See extension? Yes, it's meant for that. Now I'm gonna put this back in here and in the box, and I'm gonna open this guy. I'm not gonna put these together. Here you go. Last one. Now this lens is for a camera, which all that stuff is, that's what it's for. This pretty good lens. I'm gonna pause it for a bit. Here you go. You see, you could take this part off, and that other connection goes here. Then you connect it to your computer, your camera. I'm not going to take anything off. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to show you. This is like a good starter adapter lens for it. It's not bad. So, till next time, peace out.